Hi, my name is Marcus from Marcus Language Academy. Today I like to talk about the pronunciation and word accent of the German language. In the description below you will find the link to my complete German course for beginners. Let's start with the pronunciation. And let's start with the pronunciation of the vowels. A like in target. E like in 10. I like in bingo. O like in door. U like in you. In German we have 3 more vowels and they are called Umlaute. A umlaut like in end. O umlaut like in sir. U umlaut like in Tyrell. And now let's see the consonants. Consonants that I do not mention are pronounced the same as in English. J like in yes. R like in arm. V like in father. V like in victory. SZ is a special German letter and it is pronounced like in his. In addition, there are a few combinations that should be mastered. EU oder A umlaut U like in boy. EI like in wine. IE like in week. SCH like in sheep. SP at the start of a word like in fish pool. ST at the start of a word like in ashtray. QU like in quest. CH after A, O and U like in Scottish loch. CH after other letters like in huge. Vowel and H, vowel in front sounds longer. It is also possible to double the vowel to indicate its dilation, but only with E and O. Double letter after vowel. Vowel in front sounds shorter. For historical reasons, the duplication of K isn't KK, but CK. And of Z, it is TZ. It is not possible to double the consonants C, H, J, Q, V, W, X. Pronouncing German words correctly is easier than you imagine. And now let's see the German word accent. As a general rule, the first syllable is normally stressed, as in arbeiten, Deutschland, Name. Several verbs as well, like anrufen, einladen, abfahren. But as always, there are exceptions where the first syllable is not stressed, as in studieren, Bücherei, Information. And in the group of inseparable verbs, the second syllable is stressed, as in bekommen, gewinnen, verkaufen. And always remember, there are no rules for foreign words, as the accent is often adopted together with the word. That's all for now, and I look forward to see you again in our next video. And that you don't miss anything, please subscribe to my channel and activate the bell. I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy and thanks for watching.